Hey guys, welcome to the inside. I am so excited you guys are here. My name is Jamaica McAllister, number one marketer, guys, and entrepreneur, online marketer, and investor, guys. It is very important, guys, that you get this information tonight. And I'm excited you guys are here right now. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you guys are right here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. Okay. One thing I do want to let you guys know is you don't have to have experience at all to get started, okay? But before we actually dive into who I am and everything that this programming wallet, guys, one thing I want y'all to do is go to Instagram and definitely follow me, guys. Jamaica Paid in Full is right here. Y'all, look, I have been in the marketing game for over 8 years, okay? So it's so much value here, different marketing tips and guys, just motivation, and you get a chance to definitely see what's going on with me. And guys, look, I want to meet you, so definitely follow me, guys, and I will follow you back instantly, guys, to connect. So definitely feel free, message me, guys, and we could definitely move forward to your success from there, guys. Also, Facebook. I love Facebook. Facebook allows you to meet so many people, guys, like-minded people, guys. They are so smart, they're ambitious, they're abundant, guys, and they love growth. Thank you, Lord, for being able to get us to this presentation, guys, so we can definitely maximize the blessing that we have to share it with somebody else. So check this out. Definitely go to Facebook, add me as a friend on Facebook, send me a message, tell me hello, tell me that you got this information and you ready to rock and roll. Guys, let's go ahead and get going with the presentation and the information. But before I do that, I just want to share a little bit about myself, guys. Jamaica McAllister, like I said, I am from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm nothing but a Southern girl, guys, with so many degrees on the wall, more degrees on the wall than a thermometer, okay? But at the same time, those degrees did not catapult me to this degree, to this level of success that I have right now, guys. I have been in the military. I have so many degrees, but guess what, guys? All of this good accolades that I have, I was not able to get a job. With a master's in adult education and a master's in business administration, I couldn't get a job. I was too qualified. And it was crazy because I thought I knew what I wanted, but corporate America didn't want me. So being that corporate America didn't want me, I had to go out here and find a way. And I'm so excited I did, guys. I left the working game 2012 and I never looked back. So with that being said, definitely stay tuned, guys. Hit the link below so you can find out the presentation and what actually saved me in the cryptocurrency arena, in the cryptocurrency industry, guys, in Bitcoin stacking that changed my life. With that being said, guys, definitely click the link at the bottom and we'll get started soon. All right, take care. See you on the inside.